Hi fellas, Ben back again. This was not intentional to start off with a Ben back again every single time, but anyways, that is what it is. Your buddy Ben is back again on another video. Yep, so on ECR, headed to some lovely landscape. The ocean on my left hand side. Lovely teal green. And the backwaters on my right. Dirt. The shift, like I've always said, from tarmac to dirt on the HIMMY is just fun. It's as much fun as it can get. I mean, you got to be respectful of the dirt, but yeah, doesn't pose any kind of threat. Water. That's the thing with the HIMMY. Just move. Woo! Too much of air, I believe. The bike is just fishtailing. What are these green? Aren't these guys cute? You guys get to see all of this only on two wheels, man. Whoa. Clay, I have to be careful here. This is going to be a bit of work. Yep, so we'll have to just rock the bike a bit and get it to start moving in the opposite direction. A little too far, I believe. Yep, that's exactly where I should have stopped. Intuition kicks in. If I had continued any further, then I'm just asking for trouble, nothing but trouble. Okay, so what do we do? The side stand won't work. This fellow will dig in. It's still in neutral. Perfect. So I could sit and turn, but then that's going to be a lot of crap sticking to. Move forward, then make a bloody U-turn. Okay. Now for a diagonal line. Okay, here goes. 1, 2, 3, go. Don't let it fall. Just don't let the big guy fall. The big guy doesn't like dirt. In the name of Excitement, huh? All in the name of excitement. Do I feel solid ground? Yep. Back on solid ground. See what can be done. Fellows dug a hole. Low ground clearance. Yeah, push the rear wheel. Push the rear wheel. This is gonna be fun. God damn. Come on, buddy. Come on. Back on your feet. No complaints. No complaints, buddy. You're the great Himmy. Adventure riding. Yep. Just need to do what I need to do. I mean, my mistake was I approached this a little too slowly. I should have just come full throttle, full speed. Then this would have worked. Too slow is never too good. Woo! Exhausted. Wow. find ourselves a place to rest. Sand. Oh. Deep sand. Have a direction in mind before you take on deep sand. Perfect.
Nothing, buddy, nothing. All good, all fine. Fellow, it is amazing. Every single time this fellow does amazing.